tense, present simple, I do, present continuous, I am doing, present perfect, I have done, present perfect continuous, I have been doing, past simple, I did, past continuous, I was doing, past perfect, I had done, past perfect continuous, I had been doing, future simple, I will do, future continuous, I will be doing, future perfect, I will have done, future perfect continuous, I will have been doing. Follow for more updates.